Good afternoon, everybody. So I am up here in the Smokies. See the Oconee River behind me. So I brought a friend of mine up here, Christian, and dropped him off. He's going to do an overnight. Tonight he's going to finish up some of the Benton MacKaye trail. So thought while I was up here, I'd just do a little nature walk and go see the Mountain Farm Museum. So let's get on down this little walkway and see what we can run into. Few people out here today checking the place out. I think this is the corn crib here. Storage shed. Well, not a storage shed, but yeah, this could be the corn crib. Got the barn over there. A couple other sheds. Big field out there. Early in the morning, if you're lucky, this place will be full of elk. Old blacksmith shop. So here's some of the buildings. I've been here before, but it's been years. But I really like old stuff like this. I know in the past they used to have a couple ladies that stayed in that place right there during the summer, and they would actually be cooking old foods that they would cook back hundreds of years ago. I don't think you can go in there now, but let's go in here and just check it out. Well, I know this ain't one of my normal hikes or overnights that I do and bring to you, but I thought it was pretty cool anyway, and I wanted to do a little something while I was up here. It's late in the afternoon, and I really wouldn't have had time to hit a trail and get it done the way I want to get it done and bring you everything that the trail has to offer. So I'm gonna get off here. I want to thank you for watching. Thank all my subscribers. I hope y'all have a good rest of the day. Hope you have a good week. And as always, I'll see you on the trail.